Okay, the leaks have come in, and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 seems to be a significant upgrade. Not just a little revamp, but a significant leap forward in design. A trusted source has recently revealed new information, and it seems like Samsung's folding phone portfolio is going to take a further step forward. For starters, the size difference is instantly obvious. The Fold 7 boasts a huge 8-inch primary display as opposed to the Fold SE's 7.6-inch. When compared side by side, the Fold 7 just seems larger vertically and horizontally. And because of the considerably narrower bezels, it seems much bigger than really is. The outside cover display is likewise larger, giving it a more conventional phone feel when folded. Users have long requested this, and Samsung has finally listened. The wrinkle in the center of the display is still present, but it seems to be much less obvious than previously, which is a big positive. The hinge is another factor to consider. Redesigned to be more compact and strong, it helps the phone seem cleaner, more sophisticated, and just better. According to some reports, it may even have better water and dust resistance, however, this has not been proven. Now, let's discuss thickness, since here is where things become interesting. When folded, the Fold 7 is just 8.9mm thick, compared to 12.1mm for the Fold 6. When unfurled, it is just 3.9mm thick, making it the thinnest foldable phone available right now. Even smaller than the Oppo Find N5, which was previously thought to be the most elegant foldable device available. And if you detest bezels, you'll adore this. Inner display bezels are just 0.5mm thick. That's ridiculously thin. The Fold 6 has bezels measuring 1.9mm. Even the premium S25 Ultra has bezels that measure 1.32mm. This time, Samsung went all out. The symmetrical shape, the flatter form, and the selfie camera hidden under the device. It all adds up to one of the most attractive foldables we've seen. But not everything is perfect. There are still a few inconvenient alternatives. For starters, Samsung seems to be preserving the Fold SE's 4400 mAh battery. There is no upgrade there, and they are keeping with 25W charging, which seems out of date given how quickly the competition is evolving. However, if the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite processor achieves higher power efficiency, it may compensate in terms of battery life. Overall, if these leaks are correct, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will be a significant participant in 2025. It looks better, feels thinner, and finally departs from the repeated design decisions that Samsung used in past generations. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.